this is the front camera. You get me? So my friend just reached. So we're going to get this ball rolling. Yo, the dynamic range from this looks really good right now, I swear. So I'm always wondering, oh. Alright.
Hi, Mom.
Yeah. You turn on?
Yeah.
So guys, today we are going to, oh shit, so this is my friend Cesar Bwoy. You get me? He has an Instagram page, Instagram and YouTube channel as well. What's it?
Great with Alt is our business page, and my personal page is Cesar Bwoy. That's CESARBUELTO.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so today we're going to do a comparison between the Sony FX3, look at it.
With the Athena Prime, the Cine Prime. We have the Ninja V right here. We got the XLR in right here. We got the FX3 right here.
How much money do you think it is?
At a glance, well, up on at least 6.5. Well, body is 4 grand. Lens is about 800.
800.
How much for the Cine Prime? How much for the Cine Prime?
13 mils.
13 mils. Okay, I'm never far off. Then. That's
No,
a 5.5 right
no,
there.
you're actually far off.
No, 5.5 plus an X5, that's 6. Plus the matte box and X3.
Mm-hmm.
So,
You know, so this alone.
Oh, fuck. Alright.
This alone.
We're going 7.5. We're going 7,500 US minimum.
Minimum. Alright, so we're going to go against this device right here, the iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Which costs the same as the lens on this camera.
Yeah. No. This is the 512 version. This is about, say, 15 bills.
Yeah,
you
almost
get me?
the lens.
Almost
if
the
I buy
lens.
it used, I can probably get it for the lens cost. Buy things used, people. Sometimes you can't buy it brand new. So, you know, Amazon Renewed is the plug.
Alright. So, let's get the ball rolling and see what it looks like.
Alright, so bless up again, everybody. Introducing our model for today. This is Miss Janine Forbes, aspiring model, actress, entrepreneur, poet at times,
yes.
But you know, friend first. Today she will be modeling a jacket from Tribe 9 Studios, which, you know, is just a simple fit, just a simple vibe. The orange kind of clashing with the green, or contrasting rather with the green, you see me?
Yeah,
but that's the vibe, so I get the shoot on the roll. But yo, Pedro, setting thing. So Pedro and me, you know, battle of iPhone versus Pro Sumo or Pro Cinema camera. I roll 4K DCI, which is 4096 by 2160 pixels at 60 FPS. And Pedro is doing ProRes RAW 4K 60 FPS, you see me? So people
externally,
you see me? But yo, my thing is, you know, I see some of the iPhone footage I really want to see. Cause what I said, yo, imagine you can just put on this yard, bro.
And just shoot with this. Cause that's supposed to be heavy. That's supposed to be heavy right now.
Listen, this, Janine, if you may.
Oh shit, okay.
Right?
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's pretty weighty.
So if you're not curling at the gym, you know,
Yeah.
if you not do your thing, man, don't come take up DP, don't take up DP life, you know. I true Pedro have Isle 9 back where I'm saying.
Enough, isn't it?
All the time. I joke. But yeah, we could get this done.
Alright, so meanwhile, he's figuring out the angles that he's looking for. So I'm actually shooting in the Blackmagic app, you get me? And then the footage is actually going to be stored on this SanDisk SSD. This is a 500 gig SSD. So in order for me to get the best quality out of this camera, I'm actually using the ND filters. Yep, because I'm going to shoot at 1.7 or 1.8. So let's go.
In the grassland.
Alright. Let me see how stabilization go.
Alright. Ready? We're rolling. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. Hold that. And cut.
Alright.
You have everything.
Alright, ready?
So, Janine, or Pedro, you start close and come
I'll
up.
start close.
You start medium, then go full body, then back to medium.
All right, and rolling. And go close up, switch it up a bit. Nice. Okay.
So what I want you to do is taking the right hand, just kind of like pull it away. Let me see how that looks.
Okay.
Yeah. And just for the expression,
Yeah.
give us like lips slightly parted, very vogue.
Oh, okay. Very
Vogue.
vogue. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. He is like vogue.
Pull this one away, cause we want to see your face. With the hand,
You can come up closer, Ian.
flatter the hand. There we go.
Oh yeah, zoom in.
Or use the back of the hand. Let me see how the back of the hand looks.
Nice. All right, do one more and then reach for the camera.
Okay. Reach for the.
Yeah, reach towards the camera. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
And go. Love it.
Yeah. Vibesy.
I don't know so that. Yo, this look nice. The FX3 look really nice. Like,
Clean, bro.
I love the lens.
It clean, bro. Oh gosh, me now no E-mount. Me miss Sony because of them.
All right, watch
Yo,
your
you
step.
guys have
Keep
such
seeing
great
back
third-party
here. I thought we were gonna
options,
go, like,
man.
back there.
No, I just saw this and I said I liked it.
Okay.
So, main idea, you just the right here, so.
Yeah.
Just the right here, so stand up still and so look around.
Vibes. I can do that.
You see me? Like, I want to get some of this. So, the thing we really want to get, like, the sun flare. So, I just change angle and test the flare in the sun.
Yeah.
So, we're going to shoot up as well and test the flare in the sun and see it look. So, you don't know, like, somewhere, so stand right there, so.
Should I take my shoes off or is it good?
No, it's just upper body, really. Watch your step.
And rolling. 3, 2, 1, action. Alright. Coming in tight up for one more. You say you want the flare in it.
Yeah.
Alright, beautiful. Alright, looking to Pedro. 3, 2, 1, action.
Rolling camera. Focus.
Cut. Yeah, record.
So I'm going to shoot this without an ND, but one of the thing is, it's because you have the matte box, I get a lot of flare. So it good still. After
So use your hand or something.
use my hand, yes.
Yeah.
And
Hand box.
no ND. This is it. And go.
Three, 2, 1, look.
Alright, so guys, I'm shooting with the first, I was shooting just a while ago, I was shooting straight from the camera app. So now I'm shooting with the Blackmagic app, right? So now I'm shooting with an ND. Let me see if I can filter it a bit and action. This is really nice. The only downfall is like, I think the it's very delayed when shooting. So.
So what you're gonna do is, so you're facing me, then on action, you just turn and start running.
Okay, turn and start.
Yeah,
Running,
without the
running,
slippers.
and
Put it right
running,
here.
Like a jog run or like a run?
Jog run.
Cool.
But then I had you going this way in the frame.
It don't matter which way you should go. Just want to get the movement.
True. You're right. You're right. You're right. So start. So set. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Man, take off him slippers in the turbo mode. That runs so
But-
weird. The iPhone
cool.
now lose, brother.
Huh?
What do you mean the
cool.
iPhone now lose?
Thank you.
So basically, the
This is
phone
my
just
vibe,
got
actually.
hot, really hot. So
That's what I
I'm
love
going
about it.
to run with it bare. You get me? No case, anything like that. So because I figured more than less that the case is trapping all of the heat. So let's see how it performs without the case. So waiting for it to cool down. All right, so ready? And go. All right, stop.
In my turn back.
No, that's a BF one. No, true, that's the woman, that's why.
It's okay, bud.
Sick!
Manners and respect, my brother. So the overheating thing is a little problem, but I understand because the climate that we live in, you know, we get a lot of heat, we get a lot of sun. It's always hot. You know, it being a full titanium body as well, you know,
And in the
rubber
case, on the case, yeah.
that was bound to happen, or at some point happen. Unexpectedly, that it happened too quick still, but you know how it go. Yo, I love the dynamic range out of the Sony. Like, this is actually my first time shooting with the FX3.
Really?
Coming from a Sony, moving to Lumix, now I try this out. It's really nice. I see why. I understand Sony. I understand. But I still I go prefer Lumix for, you know, a few additional things. And I love the dynamic range out of the iPhone. It's nice still. You see me? Like, it's very comparable to like what you would get out of like an entry-level mirrorless, or even a prosumer mirrorless, to be very honest. And my brother just said to me like 2 years ago, say, yo, sometimes people, or in the future, people are going to show up to a music video set and I just this I go did it. And the truth is, you know, we have mobile film festivals, the Apple event, they filmed all of that on the iPhone. Granted, them not tell you say I like $50,000 worth of light and rig and crane and ray. You understand? But the fact that you can even get that
This
image quality
Type of quality, yeah.
out of that is phenomenal. And I feel like if people just up them filmmaking skills and, you know, it incorporate little movement, little shallow depth of field, little foreground element, you're not gonna know the difference. And yo, I'm excited to see what Pedro do with the footage when him compare it to the footage from the FX3.
I'm gonna use it tonight.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, tonight is a food festival, so.
Yeah, so Jamaica Food and Drink Festival.
So I'm gonna use it tonight.
I'm
gonna mix the two footage together with the FX3 and this. Depends on which camera I'm feel to bring tonight, but I mix the two footage instead. Probably not gonna tell which one or which.
You're not gonna.
You're not
gonna. Alright. Yeah, share your final thoughts. Granted, you don't know you're a beast of a camera.
Yeah, I don't know my FX3 already, man, but I'm just really.
Real world test.
Yo, this.
Yeah.
This.
So could I do some promo video and some?
Yo, I am going to shoot some content with this, bro. Like, more than I want to
Is it
bring.
waterproof?
No, I'm not test waterproof with camera, with phones. None at all. But I have an underwater case, I put it in.
Should test it.
I'm put it in the water and see what the ProRes
But
look
I love
in the
to do
water.
that. Yeah. Yo, man, go to Port go do the scuba thing, you know. So maybe that's a
good thing.
That'll go be the next adventure.
Next adventure.
Scuba.
Not bad. Alright guys, so stay tuned and tell me what you think about the footage from this small device compared to this big device. Alright? Peace.
Peace.